Sparklines allow you to add compact, simple charts directly into spreadsheet cells, making it easier to visualize trends and data at a glance. To insert Sparklines, navigate to the Insert tab and go to Sparklines. You can adjust the Sparkline type, color, line thickness, and whether to show hidden or empty cells. You can also choose custom colors for markers like high and low points, first and last points, and negative points. Let's insert a line Sparkline to track the sales trend of product A. Select the sales data for product A, then go to Insert Sparklines and pick Line. Choose the cell where you want the Sparkline to appear. Let's place it next to the data in the cell H3. Now that the Sparkline is added, we can see a simple line chart representing the trend of product A's sales over the past 6 months. Let's add a column Sparkline for product B sales to compare month-over-month performance. Select the product B sales data, insert column Sparkline, and place it in the cell H4. Finally, we'll also add a column Sparkline for product C. Select the data for product C, insert the column Sparkline, and place it in cell H5. To apply consistent formatting, you can group Sparklines to make adjustments to all Sparklines within the group. Right-click on the selected Sparklines and choose Group Sparklines. When you group Sparklines, they all inherit the properties of the first Sparkline in the group. To maintain the desired formatting throughout the group, it's important to ensure that the first Sparkline is set with the preferred format before grouping. After creating your grouped Sparklines, right-click again and choose Edit Sparkline Group. Customize the appearance by changing colors, line thickness, or adding markers to highlight key points. Giving each data point its own color helps make the trends clearer and more vibrant. In this example, we can see that product A sales have steadily increased. Product B has more variation, and product C's performance is mostly positive, but with some dips. That's how you can easily add and customize Sparklines to make your data more visual and insightful. Give it a try in your next spreadsheet.